Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. This time, unboxing time. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I got. Alright, so I know I've done a recent unboxing, and there wasn't a lot of stuff on my wish list that I had said in the video previous to this one. But sometimes things come out that you don't expect, that you really want, and then they become on your wish list. And so this is one of them. So here's the box. Got my blade. I'll go ahead and get into it. Alright. Now this is exciting because, hint hint, I have not seen this color in person yet. But when I first saw it on, I forget where I saw it, maybe it was on the Chanel Facebook group. Okay, I already gave it sort of away. So it is from Chanel. I said I had to have as many things as I could in that color. And let me just show you what is in the box. So it looks like they kind of wrapped it in, I guess this is packaging material. I sort of thought it was paper towel from the bathroom, but it's not. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. So that is a bag. Alright, so I was actually hoping it was a box, but so there's nothing else in there. Let me put this back in here. And let me use, like I always do, I will use the box as a stage. Alright, so here is the bag, and they put it in a plastic bag. Okay, let me see. Take that off. Any guesses so far of what it could be? Alright, so here's a hint. There's multiple items in here, so here's my receipt. I won't show you that. Okay, so here is, they put a ribbon on the bag. So cute. Okay, so here is one box, two box, three boxes. I think the camellia flower came out. Uh-oh, got stuck on the bottom of the bag. Give me 1 second.
Oh no, so, my essay also included a care booklet, I think it's in here, and the dust cloth. Here's my essay's card. And here is the receipt holder, which the receipt came out, and I'll put that back in here. Okay, so let me try to take this thing off first. Oh my gosh. Because the bottom of the bag doesn't need a camellia flower. Okay, I got it.
And have you guys noticed that the camellia flowers, the more recent ones, are a lot more soft? But yeah, so I'll just put it on back on the box. Okay, so let's start with box number 1. Alright, so here we go. And I always ask my essays to include the white sleeve, just because when you have boxes stacked on top of each other, that is the information of the item inside the box. And it just makes for organization and finding things a lot easier. Alright, so I'm taking it out. Alright, this is exciting. Here is the Chanel box. Here is the care booklet. These are actually put in there pretty nicely, unlike all the other ones that I've had. And here is the tag. And I'll show you that in a bit, but here, let me show you. So here is the dust bag. Let me open it up. Could you see a little glimpse of what's inside? It is, oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So it is a card case in that metallic green emerald caviar leather. And this, oops, this is in gold hardware. This is so pretty. Okay, so here is, let me show you which side. So I'll show you this side. If it'll focus. And so you can see the information in case you're interested. Now these just came out and they're pretty much all sold out already. Is that crazy? And so here is my authenticity card. It is a 25 series. It's just amazing how fast these authenticity cards are going up in numbers. It'll focus. There you go. Man, oh my god, this is so nice. Yeah, sort of like a metallic green. This is just so beautiful. Okay, so let me open up the next package. Alright, let me just leave that out for a second. But yeah, this is so exciting because this green is amazing. Okay, so there is item number 1. Okay, item number 2. Okay, let me take this camellia flower off. Oh my. Now it's stuck on the box. Okay. Again, it has a white sleeve on it. Let me open it up. Open the box to reveal. Here's the care instructions, the tag again, and I have another one. So I bought 2 of these because, so my mom's birthday is in May and her birthstone is emerald, and I just wanted to get her something from this color because it's just amazing. But to be honest with you, I don't know if she'll like it, but we'll see. Okay, so that is item number 2. And the quilts are so puffy on these things. It's awesome. Okay, so item number 3 comes in this larger box. Again, I have the information. I'll show you that in a little bit. I'll let you guys guess what I got. And I mean, I always say that I want you guys to guess, but I'm sure I'm always going to have this, you know, the title on my video as what these things are and the thumbnail. But in case you have not seen that or read the thumbnail, this is your chance to guess what it is. Okay, so here I just opened the box. Let me turn the tag around so you don't see it. And here is the care booklet. So this is what I'm more accustomed to. The care booklets all thrown in there willy-nilly. Okay, so let me put that away. Let me take this out. Put the tag at the back. Here we go. And here's to reveal. I got this flat card case in that same metallic emerald green. Okay, there you go. So this is very flat. I get these flatter wallets to fit in the flat pocket in the back of my vintage jumbos. And so these are just perfect. Oh my god, I'm just so And these puffs are so puffy. I don't know if you could see it, but you can see from the light. But wow, okay, so yeah, that is what I got from Chanel. So I got not one, but two of these card cases. If I could show them here nicely. And I got this one here as well. Okay, so let me just show you really quickly my collection here, because I brought them out. This is already kind of a long video, but okay, let me put the box down. Okay, so for my card cases, let's see, so I already showed a lot of these in a previous video in my Chanel SLG collection. Here, let me just show you guys these again. Alright, so, and a couple of these are up for sale. Alright, so, and then let me include the green one. So now I have a variety of different colors. I used to have only pretty much blues and blacks, but now I have this green one, and here I do also have a red one. Alright, so let me put the green one back. And so here, this one is for sale. It's a nice blue one. And if you're interested in this one, go to Shop docLUXURY on Instagram, and I have this one listed for sale. And this one, so I just recently held a raffle, a luxury raffle on my Instagram, and my Instagram is docLUXURY, and I had this one up for raffle. This was my first piece that I had up for raffle, and it was just crazy. I mean, I swear it was not rigged. I picked the number through that random.org, I think it was random.org application on my iPad, and frozenluxury won this for Monique. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so this one is going to Monique. This one is currently up for raffle. It is a chevron lambskin So Black card case, and I'm not sure when this video is going to be up, but currently this one is up for raffle. These ones are not for sale. Here is my So Black card case. You can see black hardware, black leather. Have not used this one yet. I'm saving this one. I don't know why I'm saving this one, but it's beautiful, and I don't really want to mess it up, but I'll eventually use it. Alright, so here is another one. This is my Gabrielle flat card case in a blue black. I also have this, and it's actually downstairs. I forgot to pick it up because it's currently the one that I'm using. It is in black, all black. Here is my red one. There you go. This one has been used. And finally I have my cobalt blue one. This is so pretty. Such a vibrant blue. And now I have the metallic green. Just so amazing. And then as far as this guy is concerned, so I only have two of these. So these, I only need one, but I have two, I know. I have the green one and I have the black one. So here you go. So the black one is in caviar leather and gold hardware, and the green one is in caviar leather and gold hardware. Whew, okay, so now to put all these boxes away again. But yeah, thank you for joining me again for another video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Please leave your comments and suggestions for more videos down there. And yeah, until next time, remember, be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.